So this is the 2015 Junior Cert Higher Level Paper 2 and we're looking at question number 4. A swimming pool is 15 meters long, 8 meters wide and 1.4 meters deep as shown in the diagram. Harry says the area of the bottom of the swimming pool is 8 multiplied by 15, which is equal to 120 centimeters squared. Explain what is wrong with Harry's answer. Well, 8 by 15 is 120, but it's 8 meters and 15 meters, and he gives us answer in centimeters squared. So it should be 120 meters squared. So that's what's wrong, the units. Okay, Harry will use 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter tiles to cover the inside of the pool. Find the minimum number of tiles that Harry will need. Okay, well the inside of the pool, if we go back, that's going to be the base, the two sides, and the front and the back. So you can lay the question out like that. So base, sides, and then front and back. Okay, now I'm going to keep all my units in meters because that's what the original dimensions were given in. So for the base, it was 8 by 15, which we already know. So 8 by 15, which was the 120 meters squared. Then we have the sides. So we can see here the sides are 8 by 1.4. And there's two sides, so it's going to be 2 times 8 times 1.4. On the calculator that gives us 22.4. Again, that's meters squared. And then the front and the back, well, the front is 15 wide and 1.4 high. So because there's a front and a back, there's 2 by 15 by 1.4. And on the calculator then that gives us 42 meters squared. Okay, so then we want our total area. So that's going to be 120 plus 22.4 plus 42. So on the calculator that gives us 184.4, and that's meters squared. So that's the total area that needs to be tiled. Okay, now each tile is 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. So the area of a tile then, area of tile would be 0.2 meters multiplied by 0.2, because 20 centimeters would be 0.2 of a meter. And when we put that in the calculator, that gives us 0.04 of a meter squared. So each tile is 0.04 of a meter squared, and we need to see how many of them will fit into this total area. So we're going to divide 184.4, the total area, divided by the area of the tile. And that gives us an answer of exactly 4,610. So that is the number of tiles that would be needed, the minimum number. So the answer is 4,610. Part C, the surface of the water in the swimming pool is 10 centimeters below the top of the pool. Find the volume of water in the swimming pool. Okay, so if it's 10 centimeters below the top, that means it's only up to, say, here. And rather, 10 centimeters below 1.4 meters would be 1.3 meters. So the volume of water will be 8 by 15 by 1.3, because the volume of a cuboid is length by width by height. So it's going to be 15 times the 8 times the 1.3 for the height of the water, and that gives us a volume of 156, and that's going to be meters cubed because it's volume. And that's the end of question 4.